Alright, I've been challenged to hang upside down on monkey bars and fly my drone while hanging upside down. Oh my god.
Dad, the controls are gonna be backward.
I forgot to press record. Oh my gosh. Take two. It hurts.
Your face is pink.
Do it. Press record. Take. Okay, don't fall. Like that.
No, he says I have to know. But I'm not to the pain, to the fire. I'll take my time
Ow. Well, one, I felt really good on my back, but murder on my knees. Hope that was worth it. Good challenge version.